Hey everyone, my name is Eric Leeper. I am a science teacher at Mountain Range High School. For you new freshmen, I will be some of your guys' biology teacher. I will also have an earth science class, so I'll be seeing some sophomores and juniors, maybe some seniors in there possibly, and some juniors and seniors in my geology courses that I'll be teaching. It's my first year doing geology, so it's going to rock. Going to be a lot of fun. Geology, get ready for a lot of rock puns because I've got quite a few. So be ready for that. Earth science and biology, it's going to be a great year. Geology, same thing. We're going to have some technical issues to work through, I'm sure, with as many kids are going to be getting on Zooms and computers and internet issues and this and this and that. It's okay. We will get through it together. This is all kind of a weird time for every single one of us, so don't worry about it. But again, freshmen, welcome to the mountain. Everyone else, welcome back to the mountain, hopefully. This is going to be an amazing year for all of us. I'm really excited to do some teaching with you guys and actually just see you guys back in person. So, again, super ready to see you, and I hope you guys had a great summer. Hopefully you got out as much as you could, but, you know, we'll do what we can from now. We're going to make classes as much fun as we can, and it's going to be a good year. Can't talk. So, hope to see you guys here in a few days. Until then, take care.